following is an excerpt of a recent Mort Radio broadcast.
You know, I rarely do follow-ups on stories that I've talked about. Usually I just say my piece and then I move on to whatever story strikes my interest. But this case regarding Jussie Smollett is such a fucking travesty. It's such an abuse brought on by this self-absorbed, self-centered piece of shit celebrity that I really wanted to say something else about it. Now, just last month, you had Nathan Phillips, the Native American con artist who was telling lies against the kids of Covington Catholic High School. Now, just last month, you had a bunch of celebrities, a bunch of politicians, all the new media news outlets backing him up, believing his story about racism and build the wall and go back to the reservation, whatever other bullshit he was spewing, only to find out that he told a lie. That none of this ever happened, that it was all bullshit. He was just being a con artist, a scam artist. He was trying to profit off victimhood. But you know, I kind of understood why he did it. He's a senior citizen. He has no money. He's never amounted to anything. He lives in Section 8 housing. And he thought, well, I've been doing this where I try to con people about racism. And so I might as well try again. Maybe I'll get lucky. Maybe I'll make some money off it. Make a name for myself. So I kind of understood why he did it. But there's absolutely no excuse for this self-centered, self-absorbed piece of shit celebrity who goes by the name of Jussie Smollett. Now, when I first talked about Jussie Smollett, I said that I believe that every man's innocent until proven guilty, and in his case, he has not been proven guilty of any of the charges that he's been arrested for. But I also said that every man should be believed until he's proven to be a liar, and Jussie Smollett has been proven to be a liar. Now, I'm not going to go into some long dissertation about all the lies this guy has told. If you want to see how many lies he told, just watch his interview with Good Morning America and compare it with the information we have now. And you'll see just how disgusting this guy is. I mean, he couldn't be content with the money he was making, with the stardom that he had, with the popularity that he had. No, he needed more because he's a self-centered, self-absorbed son of a bitch. He needed more, so he decided to play victim, because victimhood can be very profitable. Because here's the news. If you think Jussie Smollett did this hate crime hoax to bring awareness to problems that gays face, or problems that black people face, or problems that other minorities face, think again. He did this hate crime hoax for one reason, for his own self-serving purpose, to make more money, to have more popularity. He wanted to cash in on victimhood because his life just wasn't giving him enough. Are you fucking kidding me? You sold your soul? Your ethics, your morals, for some cash? You stupid piece of shit. You deserve this then. You deserve everything that's being given to you tenfold. Because Jussie Smollett's a dangerous man. Because he didn't care who would be punished for this crime if it had not been exposed and someone would have been arrested and sent to jail because of it. Do you think he would have ever spoken out? Do you think he ever would have said, you know what? I made this all up. No, he wouldn't have. He would have just kept raking in the cash, being the popular kid on the block, and fuck everyone else, even if they're sitting in jail for something they didn't do. Hell, this arrogant bastard sat back and basked in the glory as all these politicians and other celebrities, all these narrow-minded fools raced up to support him. And then all of a sudden, when things got a little questionable, they started deleting their tweets, much like they did with the Covington High School incident. But Jussie, he just kept going. He gave his interview. He sat there and said how he was hurt by the attackers, but he was really hurt by the attacks. Because no one believed him, because unless it was a Muslim or a black or a Mexican, no one would believe him. No one believed you because you're a fucking liar. Yeah, I'm wondering if all the politicians who supported him and the loudmouth celebrities like Ellen Page or Sarah Gilbert are supporting him now. Or are they going to just remain quiet? They'll probably just remain quiet because they already look stupid. And why speak out for him? It doesn't serve their best interest because, again, when it comes to politicians, when it comes to celebrities, all that matters is what's best for them. The everyday American? Fuck them. What's best for me? So I don't know what's going to happen with Jussie Smollett. Much like I said before, everyone is innocent until proven guilty. And he has yet to have his criminal trial, so we'll see what happens with that. If he is found guilty and he goes to prison, or he has to pay a hefty fine or restitution to the city of Chicago, then so be it, because it was done by his own hand. He created this shitstorm, and so he deserves it. But if people want to come up to me and say that Trump's supporters are bad people, are evil people, I'm going to say to them, well, I don't know about that. But I do know one bad person, and he goes by the name of Jussie Smollett.